Happy Wednesday! I'm in a good mood today, if you can't tell. And I hope every one of you in a great mood today too. I'm going to help you sell more houses today. I'm going to help you get more people qualified and be able to say no less often. How's that sound? Amazing. Thank you very much. So this is what I want you to do. A lot of people don't understand all of the mortgage products that are available. And when I say 203K, people are like, oh yeah, I think I know about that product. 203K is an amazing product. Get to know 203K. Some circumstances, I mean, I've got a mortgage client that just funded on a 4-unit, owner-occupied. It was a complete rehab, all 4 units, $800,000 purchase, $100,000 rehab, valued for 1.2 was the future appraised value on it. And did it FHA financing, limited down, with stated rents based on Section 8, and it qualified for 46% DTI. Who would have thought that you could have actually served your client that way? Nobody. 203Ks are amazing. If they can't handle construction, new construction, that just costs too much, then you know what? Do rags to riches, baby. Get those dilapidated houses, get a 203K and custom build it. It's a great way to be able to build your portfolio. There's new products out to the market, or they've actually been on the market for some time, but a couple more investors are starting to do it now. And those are construction to perm loans that are being underwritten under USDA, yes, USDA 100%, VA 100%, and FHA 96.5% financing, where a consumer can go, pick out a lot, finance the construction, and do it into a perm all in one loan. One loan. You have a lack of properties, you have a lack of resales or whatever, build your houses, people. Build your houses. Excuses are only what's limiting your sales. So don't say there's not enough houses, create your inventory. There are so many products out there. There's bank statement products now. They're getting into a little bit of, we call it Alt-A, not subprime. They don't like to hear that word. Alt-A, alternative A products that are out there. There's limited days out of bankruptcy, foreclosure. There's so many products that are available for you, and a lot of you don't know about them. And my realtor friends out there, this is hindering your sales. Because you're used to, well, if you don't have the money down to be able to buy this house, well, you know what? A lot of people don't have to. There's down payment assistance programs that you can 100% financing on that's forgivable after 5 years. There's some of them that are just available for closing costs. Look and see what's available and see what lenders are available for those products. So you can check your local county, city regulations. Some are city, some are county, some are federal funds that are available. And look to see what's available. And then you can always check to see what lenders allow those down payment assistance programs. What lenders do the construction to perm financing. Which ones do the USDA financing, the best. You've got reverse mortgage options. Reverse mortgage, if done correctly, is a great one. If you got people that are getting into their senior ages and they want to reverse mortgage their houses, a lot of them want to then go into a retirement center. Later on down the road, they want to be able to rent it, so on and so forth. You need to double check what your guidelines are. You need to talk to your lender, come in and say, I want to know every portfolio product that you have. I want to have so many bullets in my gun. When the person next to me runs out of 6 bullets, I got 9 more in my arsenal. Because you're limiting your options. And what's happening is the agents out there that know what the availability is of the products, know availability of the financing, and know what the guidelines are on it, what fits into what, those are powerful people. So you're saying no, and they're saying, come to me, because I can get you a yes. And this is, again, where your relationship with your lender is so very, very vital. So again, open up your eyes to alternative lending products that can open up your arsenal to say yes more and no less. Look to see what's available for rehab, for streamline, for zero down or low down payments, down payment assistance programs, construction to perms, and alternative Alt-A, don't call it subprime, Alt-A financing that's available out there. And open your arsenal up. So when everybody says, hey, I'd love to buy a house, however, and you can say, no however, let me put you together with a lender of mine that I've done business with for years that has an amazing product. Let's see if they can get you in there. If not, at least we know what's limiting you from doing that, and we can work on getting you approved in there in 2 months from now. Versus saying, oh, I can't. They're not going to get back to you from a year from now. All right? Open up the doors and let everybody come in and do business with you. Talk with your lender. Have them come in and do a lunch. Get to know what the portfolio products are. Get to know what their options are and their underwriting guidelines. And you will be able to do more business, and your lender will love you. Lenders, go set up lunch and learns. Have an amazing day. God bless.